I cannot wait to try it on. But guys, yung mga parents ko po ngayon ay alis na naman sila. They're going to vacation again and again.
Again and again. We break.
A lot of guys told me we look the same.
Ja, natürlich. Man.
Fun.
Altes Haus.
I'm tired because we
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Oliver Kagas. Guys, for today's video, we are going to make a Shein haul. Okay? Because today, at this moment of time, Shein po ay meron sila ngayong bagong tinatawag na Manfinity. It's a Shein's menswear collection, offering infinite style. Infinite style possibilities for the modern man. Wow, modern man. So, it's because summertime here in Germany, I'm going to show you what I ordered from Shein versus what I got. Marami po tayong in-order sa Shein. Nandito, ang dami nito. Ito pa. Manfinity Shein. Isa-isahin po natin itong i-unboxing and I will try it on later after the unboxing. So, let's go first with this. Wow, ang ganda ng pang social yung ng Shein, no, yung lagayan, no? Very socialin. So, nakalagay po nito Manfinity. Ayan po. Manfinity. And you can choose whatever you like. There's a lot of beautiful and fashion style in the Shein. If you are looking for summer essentials outfit now, Shein is the answer. So let's go with this one. Wow! Pants po. It's a pants. Ooh! Wow! But of course, if we have a pants, we have also a jacket. I will show you later. I will show you right now, but I will try it on later or after I showed it everything to you guys, okay? So, let's find a partner of this. Charan! I really love it, no? The bags, no? So this is the jacket. Only in Shein. Ayan. It's, kung nakita nyo po, same style, same color, white and black, but the details on it, look guys, no? Yung white niya, the details, wow, it's very nice. Pinag-isipan po talaga ng gumawa nito. So, I will show it to you. And this is very affordable, no? If you're looking for an affordable clothes for in this summertime, in the summer essential, yes, you can go and find the Shein. Please go to the Shein app. Please download right now, or I will put the link in the description down below so you can use my coupon code, my search code. So you have a code. You have a code, right? So. Wow, I'm so excited to try this on. Let's go for the next. Wow, this one. Wow. What I ordered from Shein versus what I got. This one. Wow. Wow, so nice. Kung ano po ang nakita ko sa internet doon sa Shein app, it's the same personally. Wow! This is what I'm going to wear in the event of my good friend here in Germany. Wow! The size of this polo, hem or blouse is S size because I'm always S. And later, I cannot wait to try it on, but I'm going to share it to you. The next one. Yeah! Wow! This is only in Shein Manfinity menswear collection. Wow! I really like this. It's a jacket, but it's good for autumn or raining season because in Germany the summer here is raining. always raining here. So that's why I ordered this one also. Heh. But I will show it later to you, everyone, guys. So there's two more. This one. This a long pants. Wow. Ooh. And of course, I have a short one. Short pant. Short pants. So, this is the long one. And the short. Wow. Yay! So now, I cannot wait to try it. Now, let's go! Look at the pants. Look. I'm so kilig! Nandito na ang mga orders ko from Shein. Shein Manfinity is menswear collection. And it's summertime na naman, I'm getting ready na to slay the summer days. Enjoy up to 15% discount when you use my code Oliver Cagas. Basta summer essentials in OOTD, Shein is the answer. Kung ano man ang bet nyo, mapalalaki man or babae. Kaya lagi ko naman sinasabi sa inyo, when it comes to fashionable essential, whether it's summer days, rainy days, snow days, you can have it all here sa Shein. Download the app today and shop now. Enjoy shopping.
And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Guys, yung mga parents ko po ngayon ay alis na naman sila. They're going to vacation again and again.
Again and again. We break the last holiday because
Yeah.
Oliver was invited.
And
Now we make the rest and come back.
the rest of the tour,
Yeah.
the rest of the vacation, because normally they have 4 weeks vacation, and because of the taufa, the baptism, the christening of Daniel,
Yeah.
that's why they go back. They went back earlier, and now they're going back again to Kimsey.
Great.
And I'll come, Oda.
Ich habe dein iPad
Cleaning.
hier. Das. Das lege ich jetzt vorne auf den Sitz.
I'll come also.
Und ja, kannst gerne mit.
Ich komme auch mit.
Und ja, komm, pack deine Sachen, Joey kann das erzählen.
Joey will make the hotel. And also the check-in.
Jetzt habe ich gerade Penny weggeschmissen.
I'll go. Wow, what is that here? SPF. Someone is calling. What is this here? For insect shoots. Protection daw para hindi kagatin ng mga insekto. To.
Insekto.
And what is that here? Body shampoo.
Was ist das denn?
This one is again mukin shoots. Para sa mga insekto pa rin to.
Hallo. Ich hatte schon ein paar Mal angerufen.
So,
Ich komme nicht mehr hoch.
kasi may tumawag doon. So, ano sila? Mga parents ko pala ngayon ay aalis sila going to Kimsey. I think, hindi naman I think, but I believe, mag-isa naman kami na andi dito. But of course, andito naman si Joey. Si Joey ay nasa fitness studio sa kasalukuyan ngayon. Nasa dito sa Bidenkopf, meron dyan na fitness studio or gym na pwede siyang mag-gym doon na libre. Hindi siya magbabayad kasi po nagbabayad man siya ng gym doon sa kanila sa Nerenhausen monthly. At saka pagpunta niya doon sa Bidenkopf, para siyang mga branches o mga sisters company na kapag punta ka doon, hindi ka na magbayad kasi same lang sila ba. Sabi niya, wow, galing kasi going to Bidenkopf 10 minutes man siya. And ngayon, dahil aalis sila, sabi ko na you can go and for me it's okay. Kasi sometimes they need it. Hindi naman sometimes, but I believe because of their age, no, dapat may initiative din ako na okay lang. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo na tinitrain talaga ako before ng aking mga parents na kaya kong magtrabaho dito na mag-isa sa bahay. Kaya ko na kahit wala sila ay magawa ko yung tungkulin ko dito sa hotel. Kaya sabi nila, they are very happy daw kasi nung last time na umalis sila, di ba, nung 3 weeks ata yun sila umalis. Sabi nila, thank you Oliver kasi nung pag-alis nila at pagdating ay ang bahay ay andito pa rin. Sabi pa niya doon, nung umalis kami Oliver, ang dami mong pera na dito sa hotel. Kasi di ba marami akong guest, palagi akong full. Sabi kasi nila ng parents ko, Oliver, okay lang ba kung ang hotel natin ay full palagi kahit ikaw lang mag-isa? Kaya mo ba? Sabi ko, okay lang. Kasi kailangan din nila ng pera. Kailangan ko din ng pera for sahod, di ba? So, alam mo, sabi ko sa kanila, sige, magbakasyon kayo, huwag kayo may mag-alala kasi kahit nagbakasyon kayo, kahit nag-ano kayo ng pera dyan, may pera na papasok. Iba pa rin kasi kagas no, kapag may business ka, no, kasi kahit nagagastos-gastos ka, meron pa rin siyang pumapasok, di ba? Alam mo naman, business-minded, hindi lang business-minded, but businessman. So, ngayon, sabi nila, nag-usap kami ba, Oliver, same pa rin dati ha, nung umalis kami sana, at na pag umalis namin, marami pa rin parents papasok dito, marami tayong guest. Nung nakaraang araw, binigyan nga ako ng, drink guild or tip ng mga guest. Ulit, sunsulo ko, guys, ako mag-isa dito. Then si Joey, dito siya matulog, and then, other day, uwi na din siya kasi kailangan din niya mag-work, no? Homer. Everything is done now. Ove, how to read it? Homer or Heimer? Hummer.
Das ist das, wo du das Problem mit hast.
Hummer?
Wenn du auf dem Pferd sitzt,
Ja.
dann kannst du Hü und Hot.
Okay.
Hü und Hot, das
Hu.
sind die Begriffe. Und Hümer ist das Auto.
Hummer.
Ja.
Hummer. Hummer.
Ja, du schaffst das.
Du schaffst das. You have everything in refrigerator? In the cold shrunk?
Das ist eine gute Idee.
Oh! Thank you, Oliver, because you asked. Tingnan natin, Labi, kung meron ba itong malaman. Ay, walang laman. No, laman. Tubig na walang laman. Bakit mga tubig mga walang laman to? Dapat kukunin natin to. Ay, Ginoo, kunin mga bataan eh. Pero pa isa walang laman. Ketchup daw walang laman. Ito, ito din. May laman konti, meron din yan. So, mabuti na lang at nagtanong ako sa kanila kung kumusta ang kanilang refrigerator kasi dapat puno yan palagi. Or yung mga, kapag alis sila, di ba, yun ang iniisip ko. And then, kasi yung refrigerator doon kasi puno din doon. So, hindi ko masyado yung ginagalaw, yung mga pagkain nila. Yes, gagalawin ko din, pero hindi ko man type. Alam mo, yung may pagkain na hindi natin kayang makain. So, sila ang kumakain, no? Sila na yung magdala. Though, para mo to sa amin lahat, pero may pagkain na hindi ko taste. May ganun talaga tayo guys, diba? So, kaya dalhin nila kasi baka masira, sayang din. So, ito ay wala nang laman, pero bakit nasa ref to? Sabi ko talaga kaya, putahan ko nga doon at pagalitan ko mga parents ko. Ha, charot lang. Joke lang guys, baka ibabash na naman tayo dyan. Pero joke lang yun, para matawa naman kayo. Please type, tawa. Guys, alis na sila. They're going to vacation right now.
Second and last part of the vacation.
The second and last part?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hätte ich sogar mitgenommen.
Aber niemand nimmt.
Keiner nimmt die. Wie schade. Ich glaube, dass der Joey das nicht hören darf.
Joey. So, you're going back now, and what can you say? Where's the volume? So,
I'm sad. I'm so sad.
why are you sad?
Because of you.
Because of me? Because you look so handsome?
My
daddy.
Son.
My handsome son. My handsome
Some
daddy.
son.
A lot of guys told me we look the same.
Ja, natürlich. Wir waren Family.
We look the same, but
Gott wollte, dass wir uns ähneln. Und das ist offensichtlich der Fall.
only the hair. Oh, my hair.
My hair are broken.
But yeah, a lot of people, we look this and I said, that's why it's my daddy.
Genau.
So,
Deine Regenjacke hast du? Ja. Gut.
so viel Spaß und mach was du willst.
Bitte. Wenn dir langweilig wird, ich habe Bettzeug rausgelegt oben. Ne?
Ich bin nicht langweilig, okay.
So.
Alis na sila. So,
Oh, er ist gestartet.
Egbert! Cheers! Und viel Spaß, kein Stress. No stress, only fun.
Altes Haus, gut hoch.
Und gute Besserung, gute Reise.
Liebe Grüße an deine Gäste.
Over. Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Hier, damit so.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. Was denn? Oh oh, immer das Gleiche. Yan si Andy, umiiyak na naman si Andy ka guys. Yan o. Oh, Andy. Yan siya o. Anding. Where are you? Yan siya o. Andy. Pagka mag-alala, andito man ako. Hindi ka man pababayaan ni Oliver. Andito ako, Andy. Na naman ako nalungkot bigla. Basta may umaalis ba, kunwari, for example, kahit one day lang kapag aalis, no, parang malungkot ka. Parang separation anxiety ba, no, ganun. So, pero kapag another day, kahit wala siya sa bahay, parang nawawala na yung separation anxiety kasi parang back to normal. At kapag babalik na sila, parang, wow, saya-saya, ganun, di ba? Oh. Hi, guys. So today lulutuin na po natin tong saba na binili namin doon sa Asia Mart. Ano na to natin, ipa-fry. Ipa-fry pala. Pero hatiin lang natin siya kasi po para mas mabilis siya ma-fry at saka mas marami tingnan. Hala, amoy saging talaga siya na saba. Haluin na kamis, uy. Hindi man siya fresh na saba kasi po naka-frozen na kasi siya. So, okay lang pa rin kasi at least meron tayong saba, no? Pero ang mahal pala nito, guys. Ang mahal nito ba sa isang ano nito? Yung sa Asia sa Filipino market. Mahal pero wala mo tayong choice kasi nga minsan nagki-crave tayo, no? At saka, ipatry ko to kay Joey. Hindi pa yan tinatry. Nanood kasi kami ng mga salida film. Tapos natapos namin yung film na panood pero hindi namin nagustuhan. Sabi pa niya, nagustuhan mo, Oliver? Sabi ko, at the beginning, maganda siya, pero yung pa-ending parang nagiging pangit. Masarap din itong saging na saba na gata, yung may gata ng niyog, tapos lagyan ng konting sugar. Yun na, masarap yun ba? Kapag maraming saging, sa amin ba, tinatawag namin yun na minatamis sa amin. Palagi kami nun kasi marami kaming saging sa amin kasi po, isa po kaming monkey. Ang monkey kasi, palagi kumakain ng saging. Si Meow Meow. So ngayon, hindi na pala ako monkey, isa na po akong King Kong. Tawagin natin si Joey. Joey! Come here. I want to show you. Come here, let's go. Guys is watching you. Guys, oh Joey is not listening.
Immer filming.
Joey is not listening, guys. Wow, let's rock. No, share to guys your let's rock.
Let's rock.
And listen. So, have you tried this before? The saging?
Banana.
We call it saging.
Nee. Sind das spezielle Bananas?
Yeah, saging of Tagalog. In Filipino siya.
Tagalog.
Saging, sagma.
Saging.
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 Only monkey eat banana. So if you eat banana, then you are a monkey.
You eat also banana.
Then you are monkeys.
Angie, you're so dirty.
Do you want to try this later?
Ja. Musst du das jetzt braten?
Yeah.
Dann kann man das so essen.
Nee, das braten, weil das war frozen.
Frozen. Ja, und wozu machen wir das tiefgefroren? Du kannst doch einfach auch Bananen da reinmachen, oder?
Ja, weiß ich.
Also normal Bananas.
Und dann?
Ja.
Das ist spezial, das ist von Philippinen.
Ja, aber
Das ist from the Philippines, you know?
can you not take a normal banana and cut it and then in the
I want to cut it so it's easier to cook it, you know?
Okay. Sind das diese green Bananas?
Das ist not green but yellow, the ripe banana.
Now we know.
I can see you on my camera.
Aua.
So you can put it there. Put it
So?
better, yeah. Vorsicht, no? Wow, you know how to put it now.
But this is a dessert.
Langsam, weil
Noch schneller?
Oil. Oil ist da.
Ja, du machst doch viel zu viel Öl rein. Too much oil.
Ja, langsam. Vorsicht.
Nicht immer Reklamationen.
Careful because the oil.
Ja, ist zu viel Öl drin.
Nee, nicht so viel.
Zu viel. Too much oil. It's not healthy.
Ja.
This is not Pommes. Guck mal. So. So. Fits perfect. Oh. Wow. I will show car, guys. Banana. And now let's go back to entertain. Bye, car guys.
Bye. Where are you going?
I don't know.
I don't know. Where are you going? I don't know.
Hier, was ist das denn? Ich muss das mal sauber machen.
Yeah, put it in the water. Put some water, bitte. You are so foul. Du bist so faul.
Stimmt
Einfach
aber
so da. So, wenn. Put it da. So.
immer Reklamation.
Du musst tanzen.
I don't need to make anything.
I don't need your
Was ist
entertainment.
das denn hier? USPA?
Polo shirt.
What does it
Polo.
mean, USPA?
Kennst du Polo?
Ja.
Polo, the brand.
Ach, das ist... das ist das, okay. Ah.
Das ist ein Gift
From?
from America.
From which America? In the United States of America.
Ja.
Biden or Trump?
Not Biden or Trump, Harris. Wow. Let's get it on.
But this is a dessert, right? Or is this our lunch?
This is snack or merienda. We call it merienda. We call it merienda.
What does it mean?
Merienda. In the afternoon at the 3 o'clock we eat something. That is merienda. And If we don't have money,
sowas-
if we don't have something to buy, then we just sleep.
Sowas wie bei uns Kaffee und Kuchen.
Yeah, that's
Cake and
it.
coffee.
Yeah, genau.
Time.
Yeah.
Where's my coffee and where's my cake?
Your cake is still in the...
Yeah, I'm a trophy. I just have cheese in the frozen chicken.
Oh, you look so sad boy. Sad boy that eat too much.
I'm tired because we watched 2 films in the last 4 hours. Tribute von Panem
And now we're going to eat something and then eat it. And then after we eat it, our vlog, I need to walk with Andy.
after eat, we edit.
It's already finished, no? Kukunin na po natin siya dito, ilagay lang. Tapos patry natin to kay Joey kung magustuhan ba niya or hindi. Kasi po, I think hindi pa siya nakatry ng saging na piniprito. No? Pero sila, yung mga parents ko, pinatry ko na ganito before, they like it. Masarap kasi siya. Sabi pa nila ba, pinakain ko dati, no? Sabi pa niya, ang lasa daw ay parang patatas na pinirito. Ha? Patatas na prito? Parang ganun daw ang lasa, patatas na prito. So, itatry natin kay Joey kung same lang ba sila din ng reaction. Kung same kayo ng reaction, German talaga kayo. So, Joey, here! You must try it now. So, always playing. Now here. So, try it. Ang dalawang naglalaro. Oh. si Andy, hinahabol siya. Tapos ngayon naman si Joey naman naghahabol kay Andy. Ay, nako, yung dalawang to. Buti na lang, masarap itong saging ko. Tignan nyo, diba? So, kayo naman, si Andy naman. Poy, Andy, buti dia. Nan jetzt, du buti sa Andy. Ay, naku. So, ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. So, tingnan natin. Hoy, balik kayo. Yan, takbo. Si Joey na matatakbo ngayon. Habulin siya ni Andy.
Gibt's jetzt Banane?
Komm her!
Schon fertig?
Yeah, try it.
I need to taste now.
Yeah, aber heiß, no?
Ja, musst du nicht noch Honig drüber machen?
Nee, einfach so. So now, let's go.
Oh Gott, dieser Hund.
So I am finished here. So try it and...
Aber das letzte Mal, als wir das gemacht haben bei dieser Grillfeier, hatten wir, glaube ich, Honig oder Zucker drauf gemacht, oder?
Ja, das ist auch lecker, oder?
Ja.
How's the taste?
Lecker.
It looks... Hui, hui! It looks like patatas, potato.
Potato ist Kartoffel.
Kartoffel, it looks like the taste.
Oh.
Others, okay. Then it's not
Like
the same.
banana. But not so sweet like a banana. It's more, more potato taste. Lecker.
So guys, we are going to end this vlog. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this vlog today, and please don't forget to like,
Share.
and
Subscribe.
yeah. God bless us all. This is Simen Oliver Cagas, and
Joey Renninghoff.
cheers.
Bye.
So that's it now.